Are you making these money mistakes without even realizing it? Seriously, we all think we've got a decent handle on our finances. But tiny habits can quietly sabotage your future. It's like a slow leak in a tire. You don't see it until you're stuck. These aren't minor slip-ups. They compound into massive headaches. Your habits now are the foundation of the life you're building. The good news? Spotting them is more than half the battle. Let's break down the 10 costliest mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake 1. Living beyond your means. Income rises, spending inflates, and stress explodes. Break the link between income and spending. When you get a raise, automate the majority straight to savings and investments. Live like before, use the extra to build your future. Mistake 2. No emergency fund. Life throws curveballs. Without cash, debt fills the gap. It's your financial seatbelt. Target 3-6 months of essentials in a high-yield account. Liquid, accessible, safe. Automate every payday. Start small, build fast. Mistake 3. Ignoring retirement savings. Start at 25 and you can cross $1 million. Wait 10 years and you may land near $440K. Get the full employer match. It's free money. No plan at work? Open a Roth IRA and automate contributions. Mistake 4. Carrying high-interest debt. It's financial quicksand. Interest drains wealth without building equity. First, stop using the cards. Choose Avalanche or Snowball. Throw every extra dollar at payoff. Consider 0% balance transfer. Aggressive now means freedom later. Mistake 5. Not budgeting. It's driving cross-country without a map. A budget is empowerment. You tell your money where to go. Use an app or a simple sheet, whatever you'll stick with. Give every dollar a job. Intentionality kills anxiety. Mistake 6. Impulse buying. Small hits, big drain. Those little purchases add up shockingly fast. Install a 24-hour rule. Unsubscribe, unfollow, and shop with a list. Friction saves money. Mistake 7. Hoarding cash beyond your emergency fund. Inflation eats it. Invest consistently in low-cost broad market index funds or ETFs. Automate monthly buys. Dollar cost average through ups and downs. Don't let money sleep, put it to work. Mistake 8. Not tracking. Hidden leaks sink ships. Forgotten subscriptions and fees multiply quietly. Track every penny for 1 month. App or spreadsheet. Cancel, waive fees, and fix overspending categories. That's how you plug the leaks. Clarity creates control. Mistake 9. No specific goals. Lots of motion, no progress. Goals give your budget purpose and motivation. Make them smart to lock in commitment. Save $500 monthly for 10 months to buy a $5,000 used car in cash. Check your goal before you buy. Does this move you closer? Mistake 10. I'm not good with money. That mindset is costly. Invest 30 minutes a week in your financial education. Pick one topic and start. Retirement accounts, index funds, credit. Use videos, blogs, podcasts, and library books, high quality and free. Learning builds confidence and better decisions. 10 money mistakes, all fixable, starting today. Pick 1 or 2 that resonated. Take one small step now. Trade financial stress for security and freedom. If this video helped you, take a moment to like and subscribe for more quick money tips. Your support helps us reach more people just like you. Share this video with a friend who could use a little financial boost. Let's grow together. Drop a comment below. Let us know which money mistake you're tackling first, or what topics you want to see next. Thanks for watching. Your future self will thank you too. See you in the next video.